Now you witness, ano ba? Nanginginig. Hindi, alam mo kung bakit. Hindi first time. Yung babayaran nila sa ito. Okay.
Kaka, dito ka lang.
Naka-ready na si Carl. Okay. Now you're witnessing the cutting of the cake, symbolizing a couple's first joint of commitment, unity, and shared love, often representing their willingness to provide for each other. Yan. Okay. Oh, isa pa. Oy. Yan. Alright. Nakakatawa si Sir Edmond, no? Manager na siya dito. Wedding coordinator pa. Kung sino yun? Well said, oh yeah. Hats off sa Maxes, ano ah. Meron pa naman akong bahay dito nakuha sa Tansa. Dito ko dumadaan eh. Babae muna po. Ladies' choice. Alright. So, oh, ayun na. Car. Yeah.
Ang laki.
Ay, grabe. Ang malamig na ha. Maliit lang.
Kung i-entra ka dun eh.
Ayun. Umiitin. Alright. Again, a round of applause sa ating Muriel Papa. Okay. Next na yung ating toast. Alright. Kailangan lang natin yun. Ang galing talaga ni Sir Edmond. Hindi, magaganda. O, set na. I-execute mo na lang. O, kita mo, may matulog pa. Plus 500 ka na, bro. Alright. May we ask everyone to have your glasses raised as well. You'll join the couple. Oh, I will give you the cue. Bibigyan ko po kayo ng cue. I-raise natin. This is a toast to celebrate. Okay? In 3, 2, 1. Raise your glasses. Toast. Heart toast. Okay? To the new husband and wife, may they remain lovers for all of life. Yeah, palakpakan naman. Okay. Cheers. Alright. Yan. Yeah. Oh.